My name is Erin. I'm a second-year general surgery resident. I'm originally from Columbus, Ohio. I did my undergrad up at Boston College and then got my MD PhD at the University of Kentucky before coming here for residency. I think the thing that really sets Vanderbilt apart is the culture here. We really have a culture of family in our residency and throughout this entire university. And so we really look out for one another from our attendings all the way down to our interns. And so besides the exceptional training that we get, I think that's really one of the greatest things here. One of the other really great things about being here, besides the training facility, is Nashville itself is an awesome city. There's so much to do. There's tons of restaurants, tons of music, lots of fun things to fill your excess time in.
Hi, I'm Kirsten Ross, and I'm a PGY5 orthopedic surgery resident here at Vanderbilt. The GME office noticed that we didn't have any space to really work as surgery residents, so the GME built that nice operating room, workroom for all the surgery residents, and we use that before surgeries, after surgeries, just to do our orders and prepare for cases. There is a nice OR board, so we know when our patients are in the room and kind of the status of all the operating rooms. There's also a nice space for us to hang all of our lead that we have. I don't think a lot of other GME programs would have recognized that that space was lacking. And here at Vanderbilt, I feel like they really care about our well-being and our work-life balance and want to do everything that they can to make our work lives easier for us. I chose Vanderbilt ultimately because of the people. When I did an away rotation here, I felt like I really connected with a lot of the attendings and the residents here. I thought it was much more of a family environment than a lot of other programs I had seen, and that has carried throughout my residency. I only have 1 year left, and I feel like I would make that decision over again in a heartbeat. I definitely am in the right place, and Vanderbilt's a great place to work.
Hi, I'm Tenisha Hinners. I'm a surgical pathology fellow here at Vanderbilt. I did medical school as well as residency here. My favorite part about being here is people come from all around to Vanderbilt to get their care. And so we end up seeing a lot of interesting diagnoses. And, we have a lot of experts here that can help get these patients the right diagnosis so that they can get the right treatment. The reason I chose to stay at Vanderbilt for pathology residency is because meeting with the residents and just speaking with them, I felt a real sense for community. A lot of people were interested in teaching me and showing me interesting cases, and I could tell that they were willing to help each other out.
Hi, I'm Jenine Hassoun. I'm a second-year OB/GYN resident at Vanderbilt. I'm originally from Austin, Texas. The reason I chose Vanderbilt is really the people. I felt like there was a really good relationship both between the lower levels and the upper levels. There didn't seem to be any barrier to going to them for help. And then I also couples matched with my partner who's now a second year in internal medicine. So it took a really strong program to bring me from Austin and him from Seattle, to a place that we had never visited. We both just fell in love with the Vanderbilt community and the people. My favorite part of being at Vanderbilt is working with all of the people, not just my co-residents, but the staff and the nurses. I feel like the labor and delivery is this close-knit community, and I've really gotten to know a lot of the nurses really, really well. I'm even on a basketball team with one of them. So I love that we're not just a residency program, but it's a bigger family of Vanderbilt as a whole.
Hey, I'm Freeman. I'm a third-year emergency medicine resident here at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. The thing I've enjoyed most about my training here at Vanderbilt has definitely been the family feel of the residents in our program. I get to spend time with them, and we've really grown close over the years. I also love how involved our faculty are. They really take time to teach us, they become our friends outside of work, and they want to make sure we become the best residents that we can be.
I'm Thomas Wong. I'm a PGY3 Integrated Diagnostic and Interventional Radiology resident. One of the reasons why I chose to come here was really the people. I came to visit as a medical student, and I found that the people were very unique and genuine, very supportive. And now as a resident, I feel that there's this collegiality, not only within the department, but also with other residents and other faculty from other departments. And that's something that really stood out. One of the reasons why I chose Vanderbilt is that it's a program that really encourages a work-life balance, and being in Nashville is a great place to train.
Hi, my name's Andrea Davis, and I'm one of the internal medicine interns to be residents here at Vanderbilt. I think the thing that was most important to me when looking at residency programs was the people. And I will say, moving here, not knowing anyone, I've made some friends that I will certainly be friends with for my entire life, and I feel like I've known them forever. And another thing that's really drew me here is we see such a high volume of patients from a lot of the surrounding areas, and as a result, we see just a vast range of pathology. And I truly could not be happier as a resident.
Hey, my name is Babatunde. I'm one of the internal medicine residents here at Vanderbilt. I chose Vanderbilt for a lot of reasons, but I think the thing that stood out most to me was just how supportive everyone was here, and the culture that kind of resonates through all the residency programs. And being here for a year now, I've been surprised by how often people have gone out of their way to support me and be there for me and help me along as a doctor and as a person. The people here are like none other in the country. And if I had to choose over again, I would pick Vanderbilt again in a heartbeat.